Good morning from Lake Pukaki, South Island, New Zealand. It's officially day 3 of our camper life adventure. So we wake up super early today to catch the sunrise and guys, sobrang lamig. Last night sobrang dilim dito. Wala kami ibang kasamang camper van sa paligid. Just us. Oh my God. Pero ngayon, grabe. Pink skies, snow-capped mountains, and a super calm lake. Such a vibe. Sabi nga nila, I am rich kasi nakita ko to with my own eyes. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, Lord. Before we left, we had coffee and took some drone shots. Sobrang worth it. Ang ganda. Next stop, Lake Tekapo. We continued our breakfast here while enjoying the view around the lake and see the famous Good Shepherd Church. After that, back on the road again to Mount. The weather here is starting gloomy and medyo umaambon na. It's time for a short hike, mga 25 to 30 minutes lang. And guys, a very special moment happened here! Ayun. So grabe, sobrang worth the hike. Of course, my quick TikTok break with my sister. After a long day, we decided to stay at White Horse Campsite for the night.
Grabe guys, halos katabi lang namin yun. Ganda! My God, thank you Lord.
Oh my gosh! May rabbit! Maarte na siya.
Feel ko na ito na talaga yun. Tonight will be the night.
Preparing our dinner.
Ay, wag yan. Ito ate. Lagay siya dito.
Now I can't wait to see what tomorrow brings.